Hello chemistry class, it's Mr. Ng with a few sample problems on how to use Avogadro's number when converting between moles and representative particles. So here is number 5 out of your homework set, and we start with a given of 1.25 atoms. Atoms is a representative particle, and it wants us to get to moles. If we want to get to moles, we're going to use the top part of our graphic organizer, meaning we're going to divide by Avogadro's number. If you don't remember, Avogadro's number is Na, that's Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. It's a really big number. That's a lot of zeros. So let's just hop right into this. So A, we start with a given of 1.2 times 10 to the 25 atoms of phosphorus. So we want to get out of atoms of phosphorus and into moles of phosphorus. And we know that every 1 mole is Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd atoms. So when you punch this into your calculator, I strongly suggest that you put parentheses around both the numerator and the denominator, meaning you're going to type this first and then divide it by this. And your calculators will have some sort of button for exponents. It might be an EE button or an EXP button or a times 10 to the n button. In any which case, if you punch this in correctly, you should get 19.9 moles of phosphorus. Again, most of the hiccups will be about punching this stuff into your calculators, so just tinker with your calculator and you should be able to figure that out. Let's try another type. Here, we have the conversion going the other way. We start out with moles, meaning we start here, and we want to get to the representative particles. So our given is 1.24 moles of chlorine gas, and we want to get out of moles of chlorine on the bottom, and into molecules, into the actual particles. Right, molecules of Cl2, chlorine gas. And of course, 1 mole is 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd molecule. So all I got to do is multiply across. Really good idea to have Avogadro's number in its own parentheses, because many calculators will kind of, they'll just mess up on you. So make sure that the entire number is in its own parentheses. If you multiply across and punch that into the calculator, you should get 7.47 times 10 to the 23rd molecules of chlorine gas. So very similar to when we were converting between liters and moles. There's only one number to memorize. In this case, it's again Avogadro's number, 6.022 times 10 to the 23rd. Right? And again, just follow the rules of dimensional analysis. Put this thing on the bottom if you want to get out of it. Put the thing on the top if you want to get into it. Thank you very much for watching.